Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Determined Gardener. Now that Thanksgiving has left, that means Christmas is almost here. I'm going to take you on a tour on some of the wonderful, beautiful wreaths they have at one of the big box stores in my neighborhood. Starting with this really cute one right here. It's in the shape of a ball, and this one is $39.98. Look how cute that is. It even has a ribbon at the bottom and these cute little red sparkly balls and the frosted cones. How cute is that for $39? Now, if you're looking for a wreath, you're in the right place. Oh my God, look at this. Look how beautiful that is. It's really, really big. You can see yourself putting a wreath on your door like this. This is a really big one. This can go either sideways like this or standing up if I can get it up. Wow, this is very, very pretty. And this one, I'll give you a wider shot. That is $44.98. That's a really nice buy for something that big. So we're gonna head on down and see more wreaths and the ones that are balls. You can hang this up on your porch, in your living room. Your living room will smell like pine. That will be absolutely stunning. And this one we have for $19.98. Happy holidays, everyone. And this one is more of a basket, right? You can put it near the fireplace, but you need to be careful. Above the fireplace, maybe on your countertop. I'm gonna set it down, you can see what it looks like. And this one is $79.98. Let's see why this one is $79.98. Okay, again, another big stunner right here. So we're gonna continue. This is a plain one for $39.98. And oh wait, okay, so this one is a more religious one. Look at this. This is in the size of a cross. And these are just regular wreaths, $49.98. These are just wreaths that you can decorate on your own, and they come in like a bunch. So here we have two for $16 wreath with bow. This is just a simple wreath with a bow. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you're looking for something at your door, absolutely beautiful. Look at these baskets for $99. I'm gonna take one out so you can see. And they're nice and heavy. Wow, that means that they have a lot of stuff in there. For $99. Oh my God, I saw this one. This is so cute. Oh my God, it's like a topiary, a ball on top, and then you got this beautiful spectacular evergreen on the bottom. This is $59. These flower baskets right here are $19.98. Oh, sorry, $19.88. Even better. These are like floral decorative baskets. Give you a view of them. Not bad for like 20 bucks, right? $19.98, folks. Take a look at this. It's the regular red pot. This beautiful floral arrangement. You got the holiday variety with the bows on top. Some more Christmas wreaths. Wow, look at that. So we got these big ones for $159. $59. This is 60 bucks compared to $159, which I'm like, okay, that's, oh, nice, but wow, this is a showstopper, right? So it's $60. It's gonna last for a long time. $26 for this log. It's like a basket right there. It's all right. And then for a few more dollars, sorry, we'll move this out of the way, is that log. For a few more dollars. I'm gonna give you a wide view. And we got the red baskets for $39.98. This is really pretty. I just stumbled on this outdoor space. It is so giving me Christmas vibes. I am so ready for the Christmas season. And look at this. This is just so adorable. Look. It's for $50. It's so cute. Oh my, I'm just gonna show you around, all right? I'm gonna do less talking. $59, I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff that you can get. Oh man, I'm really glad I stumbled out here. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Here are some more Christmas wreaths. $39.99. Prop it up. That is really pretty. The bow. Very nice. We got some more baskets. $19. This wreath is $29.99. It's a little smaller than the other one I showed you. And these wreaths are also $29.98. Just trying to go really fast so I can fit everything in. So we're gonna be going inside, showing you a bit of what's inside here. Poinsettias, the big ones for $24. Yeah, these $2. Snatch them up now. They will be gone. $2. If you like cactuses, they have the decorative ones right here, the frosty ones for $8. That is really cute. Look at that. That screams holiday. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.